Susie on the go!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. Below us, you can see the splendid Amazon rainforest, home to all kinds of wonderful living creatures. Look, a couple of jaguars running. They're so fast and always on the go.
While the rainforest is home to really quick animals, it's also home to one of the slowest in the world.
That's right, the sloth. Ta-da!
Whoa, that's neat, Kai.
Hey, I think I see our tree right there. Ready for landing, Air Condor?
Sorry, Ryan, but there doesn't seem to be any clear landing strip nearby.
In that case, it's time for these.
Our gliders.
Good luck, A4, and thank you for flying Air Condor.
So, this should be Susie's tree.
Susie, are you home? Whoa!
Well, hello, A4.
Susie?
I am. Thank you for coming.
No problem, Susie. We heard that you want to go places.
I do. You see, I love being in my tree, but I've spent so many days watching other animals just passing by and going somewhere. I wish I could be like them.
Have you ever tried to go somewhere, Susie?
Once, but I didn't get too far. How I wish I could just go.
Well, if you want to go, how about going in a go-kart?
I don't know what that is, but if it has go in it, let's go for it.
Done!
This is what will help me go places?
That's right. Just climb in and we'll show you.
I may look like I move slowly, but this is actually really fast for me. I'm just so excited.
Does it feel like you're going places now, Susie?
Going places? Yes. Seeing anything? No. This ride is too bumpy. But I'd still like to go places. Can you find another way, please?
How do we get Susie going places without pushing her or pulling her? That's it! What do you think, Susie?
I am going places, but the same places, over and over again. I'd still love to go farther.
Well, team, if at first we don't succeed,
Try again.
That's right. A4 never gives up. Never. So, new plan?
Let's think about this. Susie wants to go places, but she moves too slowly to really get anywhere. Pushing, pulling, and swinging her didn't work. So, aha! What we need is a high flyer.
Yeah, good idea, Kai. Wait, what's a high flyer?
Well, let me show you. Time to fold, team. Okay, Susie, this'll be fun. We just hold on, and the high flyer will zip along the ropes through the forest. All set, A4?
I'm ready.
Me too.
And Zoe makes 3.
Then let's do this.
So, Susie, how did it feel to go places?
It was so awesome. I saw places I'd never seen before.
Are you ready to go to more places? We can help.
Well, as great as today has been, and wow, I'll never forget it, I think I'm ready to go back to my tree. There's just no place like home. Thank you so much again for helping me go places. But now I'm so happy to be slow and steady and back to just hanging around. Bye, A4.
Bye, Susie! Great job today, team. We helped Susie go places only to find out there's no place like home. It always feels so good to say, we all helped someone today.
All the animals went to